on Minecraft. It's tour time on Minecraft. Let's go. So today I'm going to show you a tour of my new house. Oh Lord. Well, let me show you a tour of my old house. Still my house, but still. So this. Maybe potion. I'm gonna drift. This is my house. There you go. So this is a master bedroom. So you know. Take a picture of the master bedroom. Take a picture of the master bedroom. Master bedroom. Chicken. Let's see. Take a look at the master bedroom. Chilling. So we have our toilet here, and we have our shower here. That's the master bedroom. Upstairs, living room, animated TVs, couch, and then another animated picture. This is the upstairs bathroom. We have an actual bath, and it's what, and our bunk beds. Yeah. Then, let's go to the other house that I have almost finished. Oh, I'm almost done with it. So. This is like a mansion, but that's the kitchen. This is the living room. Animated here. Or you just put redstone on the ground. So do this. Put redstone right here, and put redstone all through there on the ground, and cover it up with what you call it, foot topping. So this will be the bathroom. After the bathroom, we have the purple. Two beds. We need to finish the purple. Let's go to the purple. Exit the purple. Let's go to the blue room. Hallway. This is the little living room area. And purple. Blue. So we have not done the blue room yet. I'm working on the closet of the blue room. Let's go downstairs. Let's see the master bedroom. So, this is the side of the master bedroom. I'm gonna do glass doors again. This is the master bathroom, and I'm not done. And I will do an updated video on this house. So, this house, but this is my mansion. Well, and I'm starting on building another mansion, but it's gonna be a bigger. So that's the mansion that I've started building again. That's the top of my other house. Houston Area Haters is about to be out, and goodbye. Go clean. Goodbye.